Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. First of all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel will cover Configuration Manager, SCCM, anything related to applications deployment, Windows 10 deployment, and also Office 365, Microsoft Azure Active Directory, Microsoft Intune. So now let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Software Update Point. The current version I have for my configuration manager is 1806. As you can see here, it's 1806. So before you install software update points, you want to make sure you install the WSUS on your server or on any servers that you're going to install software update point on. So in this case, I have WSUS installed on my primary site. And let's enable software update point. So we'll just right click on the site that I want to install on, and then go to add site system roles. Verify the site name. Use the site service account. And if you have any other service account, you can choose the second options here. So we'll click next. Click next. I'm going to choose software update point. I'm going to click next. I'm going to use the WSUS configures to use 8530 and 8531. I don't use SSL communication. I don't use a lot of configuration manager cloud manage gate traffics. I don't use that, or I don't have that configured. We'll click next. That's fine. I don't use any of these credentials to connect. I'm using my primary site. Click next. So this is the only primary site I have, and it's the only SCCM site server I have. So I'm going to choose the synchronization from Microsoft Updates. That's fine. Click next. Enable schedule enable synchronization on schedule. I can customize it or let it um, or you can choose as the default. I'm just going to choose once a day. I'll configure once a day. You can enable the alert if you want. I'm not going to do that. Click next. So here, if you want to supersede behavior, configure supersede behavior, immediately expire, and by default, it gives you do not expire supersede software update until the software update has been superseded by the specified period. In this case, it's 3 months. You can run the WSUS cleanup after synchronization. It will get rid of the old patches. I'm gonna enable that. Click next. I'm gonna download full files for all approved updates, or download both files for all approved update and express installation files for Windows 10. I'm gonna choose the top one. I'm gonna choose critical updates, definition update. I'm gonna choose tool also, updates. Upgrades, you wanna choose upgrade or select upgrade if you wanna do feature updates. Like if you have Windows 10, 1803 and you want to upgrade to 1809, feature update, make sure you select upgrades here. You want to choose include Microsoft Service Update drivers or firmware. I'm not going to do that. Click next. Products. So you want to make sure you choose the operating system that you currently support. I don't have, I have Windows 7, so I'm going to leave that. Windows 8, Windows 2003, that's fine. I'm just going to keep it. I don't have XP. Just select that. Windows XP, Vista. I'm gonna deselect Windows 7, Windows 8 since I don't have Windows 8. I don't have Internet 7, Internet Explorer 7. I'm gonna deselect Windows 2003. This is good for now. I don't see options for Server 2016. You have to come back once it's finished installing. You have to come back and choose when WSUS or software update point successfully installed and synchronization, you will see the Windows Server 2016. But for now, let's leave it like that. Click next. I'm just going to choose English only. Deselect the other ones. Click next and click next. Let's go to monitoring. You can look at the software updates installation. It should call WSUS. It's going to take a few minutes. Once software update has been synced, you should see all the patches in this section here. There's a few log files you can look at. Let's go to my SCCM installation folder, logs, type in WSUS, it's WSUS control. I'm going to choose the tools. I'm going to open up the tools. CM trace tool, so I can view the log file. Logs should be under W. So there's a WSUS, WCM that you can view. And also the WSUS control. These are the three log files you want to look at: WCM, WSUS control, and WSync manager. That's fine. You get a fail at the initial configuration or initial sync. So that's it. If you have any question, go ahead and put your question in the comment section, and I do my best to answer all those questions. Thank you very much, and have a good day.